Hello guys, welcome to my channel Himanshu Verma, marketing psychologist. So, welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to learn about some marketing, uh, some marketing psychology hacks. Okay, so or how to influence people, how people like psychology hacks to influence people. Okay, so I am sharing my screen with you. One sec. Okay, so there are some psychology hacks to influence people. First is like reciprocity. Human human have been trying to reciprocate gifts as a way to strengthen community bonds for millions of years. So, okay, I am trying to like you will learn know more about this by this example. If you give me a gift, then I will feel obliged to give you back something. Like okay, like when your relatives or friends give you a favor or something, like anything, give you a gift or give you money. So you will feel like yeah, I you have also give them something when they need or if they don't need like if the your friends give you a gift in on your birthday, so you will think like you have also give them a gift when on their occasions like birthday or uh, anniversary or something. So this is true in family circles also. So okay, yeah. Here is an example like uh, study. Here is a study. Hare Krishna devotees have seen higher responses with donation requests in airports by giving a rose to random passengers. This is a study conducted by the Hare Krishna devotees. Like when they give roses to the passengers on airport, so uh, their donation increase. Like the amount of donation increases at that time. Yeah. And the other is like when online marketers publish free content and give away courses and ebooks. It is a way to trigger reciprocity. Yeah, I think you know that like we are marketers, or if you are not marketers, so like you feel in your life like in online uh, sale they will give you something in free first, like some courses or not a course, so a webinar, a free webinar or something, or a free trial of something, and then you will obliged to buy, like yeah, I have to buy because they give me some favor. So this will increase the chances of buy. Okay, second is scarcity. Scarcity is like the value of anything that is low in supply will be higher. Like all the big companies and all the sales companies and the e-commerce companies use these techniques very well. Like Amazon says like last 24 hours or something like to last one days uh, last one day available on this product, sorry, uh, last one day of the sale, and only two pieces of the products available you need to buy. So I think when you think like yeah, only two pieces available, and the demand is high, so you think like yeah, I have to buy this product, so I have to buy right now, because if you don't buy right right at the time, so you will maybe you will lose the product. So scarcity is another way to increase sales or something, increase sales or like okay, there is like almost all the e-commerce stores shown units remaining to encourage sales. Okay, so third is authority. Okay, give me one sec. Authority. When someone who is in the position of authority is saying something to us, we are influenced easily by them. Like uh, okay, like you see all the toothpaste advertisement. I think once in a life, like in the some toothpaste advertisement, uh, they use sorry, yeah, they use dentist as a brand ambassador. So when we see dentist in toothpaste ads, so we think like, yeah, the dentist recommend this toothpaste, so yeah, we need to buy that because dentist know very much about, like dentist know all about the teeth, so yeah, we need to listen them. And like when or other, okay. Okay, so like there is another, some, for this commitment and consistency, like people are more likely to stick to something if they commit to it. Like if some people believe in one brand, so they don't want to yeah. Okay, so they don't want to okay, so sorry. So they don't want to alter their brands, and alter their brands. Like if someone's like Nike, so they don't want to buy from Adidas or something else. If someone's like Apple, so they don't want to buy use another laptop or another phone. If someone like Samsung, so they use Samsung, and if someone's MI products. So yeah, and if someone's like, okay, sorry. If someone's like Jaguar, so they don't want to buy from other cars like Maruti or something. Okay, so they are committed to. And fifth is like social proof. We don't want to do in-depth research ourselves. Like nobody want to do in-depth research ourselves because I think everyone is lazy at the time because we don't want to be effortful. So with or for every buying decision, like if you want to be buy a phone, so you don't want to be like, if you want, okay, if you want to be buy a t-shirt, so you don't want to be research like where I should buy a t-shirt, what type of clothes t-shirt or should I use, only buy a t-shirt. And you don't want to do in-depth research for this, so it would be a very time consuming and effortful because it, yeah, so it is a mm, so it's an opportunity for marketers, like they research and they market their products. Okay, instead we want to learn from others mistake. If someone bought a product and they were not happy with it, we will stay away from that brand. Okay, and the last one is liking. Liking is like human beings are social animals. We all are social animals. We want to be liked by each other. We want to live in community. like we want like everyone's like us, and the decision making of individuals is impacting by their belonging to tribe. Like our decision, our individual decision making impacted by our relatives or our friend circle where we hang out or something. So yeah, when all things are equal, human beings like to do business with the people they like. Yeah. So these are the 6 points of my psychology of people. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. Let's meet tomorrow. So okay, bye.